saw you the other day. I thought I saw you and my heart stopped right away. And I lost my breath without a say. I thought I saw you and my stomach sank away. Oh, the other day. Asking myself, what would I say? Holding my breath, cause saying you just made my day. But I can't lie, so let me say that seeing you right there without me hurts today, like every other day. Every other day. Cause saying you is all I got, and it still just feels like a shot. Clenching my fists, but not at you. After all that we've been put through, oh yeah, today I'm locked away, and there's just nothing I can say. We're torn apart, we're bleeding out, and I stick in my life for your smile, for your smile. Oh, the other day, oh, the other day, please come back to me. Oh, the other day, I thought I saw you the other day. It doesn't matter, I can say, cause you moved on and left me numb. It's not your concern, I reckon. I thought I saw you the other day. It was in the mall the other day. It was at the bar the other day. No matter what I be the other day, I still hope it was you. The other day, I think I saw you the other day.